And then I do something that I only learned maybe 2 years ago. Because before that, I used to believe that it might be useful for people to start visiting the more difficult neighborhoods where actually the problem lies that is between them at this time. And I've changed my mind completely, and I teach visiting and hosting and crossing the bridge to the precious neighborhood, the neighborhood where people feel alive and excited about living, and they feel vital, and they feel creative. Because, you know, they're just learning how to visit and how to host, and they're just learning about the encounter. The best place for them to encounter each other is where each one of them feels most alive. And they haven't seen each other in that aliveness in a long, long time. And that shift in my own thinking has been extremely useful.